Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 10 days of July. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. And for the personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what do we have for Aries. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from this deck for Aries. Okay, guidance from the angels. Okay, message from the universe for Aries. Yeah, so Aries, you feel upset over a situation. There has been something which has caused you a lot of depression to some extent. You are in a very gloomy and an upset uh, state of mind, but the thing is that whatever this situation is, it has ended. Yeah, or it is about to end. So whatever this situation is, no matter how painful it was, no matter how bad it made you feel, no matter how betrayed it made you feel, it is about to end, or it has already ended in your life. Though you are very guarded, you have taken an approach when you don't want to deal with people, you don't want to talk to people, you have isolated yourself from others. But still, the advice is that whatever this thing was, it happened because perhaps you ignored something, or you didn't see something coming, or ignored a piece of information, or even if you knew it, either you didn't know about it, or even if you knew it, you didn't pay that much attention to it, whatever it was required. So there was something which was not properly visualized or properly understood or properly catered to, and because of that, this situation had happened. But whatever it was, it's over, it's over. And here with the world card and with the 10 of wands and with the 4 of pentacles, you are definitely having a new beginning. You are unburdening yourself, you are unburdening yourself. There's a new beginning, new things are coming. You have learned the lessons, or you should learn the lessons whatever this situation has taught you, and using that wisdom, that knowledge, you are advised, or you are rather moving towards a new beginning in your life. Whatever this new beginning is, you are putting your burdens aside. Things are ending. As I've already told you, this thing is ending, a new beginning is there. You are unburdening yourself slowly and slowly, and you will be very stable. You will be in a stable state. Whatever this stability means for you, whatever this burden you were carrying, you will be unburdening yourself basically, and you will feel very stable, you very content, you will. But thing here is that you are being very closed off, and that's okay for some time. But you are stable, that's for sure. And here with the three of cups, with the Queen of Pentacles, and with the moon, you are celebrating, as I have said, that you are unburdening yourself, and you are in a stable situation. Whatever your thing ended was, you have come out of it, or you are coming out of it, and you are celebrating with your friends, maybe a small get-togethers, maybe your family, maybe your friends, but you are happy, you are celebrating. And you are what I'm trying to say is that you are gradually improving on your stability. With the Queen of Pentacles, I see you here as a very like you have achieved your things, you are back to your stable self. But it is you are trying to memorize as if it was a long journey. You have that thing in your mind, with that nostalgia feeling, as to this is what I've done, I had to go through all these things and all those struggles and whatever it is. And since you are ahead into a new beginning and a new chapter of life, whatever it is, the things are not very certain. There is uncertainty, there is definitely a road ahead which you don't really know as to how it will be, because with the World card there is a new beginning. So obviously things are not very clear, there are many questions in your mind, you are pondering over them, you are trying to think as to how to move forward. The thing is, just use your guidance and keep moving as your inner voice says, as your inner guidance says. But definitely you will be transitioning through this path with the use of your intuition, and you will be successful in it. Okay, so whatever the mystery is, whatever the thing unclear is, it's good, just move step by step, but surely and surely, slowly and surely, you will be successful. With the King of Hearts, it's all about balancing. The thing is, you just need to balance the situation. Use your intuition. Whatever this uncertainty is, whatever the path ahead is, even if you don't know, nobody knows the future. So similarly, whatever it is, just try to balance the situation with your whatever pros and cons you want to weigh. You just weigh them and move ahead according to your insight. Whatever your insight says is right for you. But the thing is, don't move fast, go slow. That is the advice for you. Go slow, don't rush into things, because it is something which you really don't know. So it is advisable for you to make small moves, and don't take any rash decisions. And don't, if it's about money, don't invest yourself in whatever it is. Even if it is a relationship, don't invest completely into it. Whatever it is, just take those small steps and keep on moving ahead. The guidance here is with the number 0. It's a new beginning, definitely, and the new beginning, you are at the beginning of a wonderful journey. There is no need to have any fear, as guardian angels walk beside you at every step of the way. You have unique gifts to offer the world. If you will just free yourself from what holds you back, new opportunities will present themselves. If you truly believe, what did I say? Just leave things behind, whatever you have suffered, whatever has happened, let it be. Just learn the lessons, whatever the lessons were supposed to be taught, then you will be able to reap the benefits of it. Okay, whatever this story, this incident of your life has told you, you have learned the wisdom. You have to sort of graduate yourself, learn the lesson from that situation, and only then you will be able to use this wisdom, this lesson which you have learned in your life ahead. And that is what you are supposed to do. So that was the main reason for whatever the situation has happened. It meant to teach you something. Since you have learned it, you are supposed to move on now and implement it in this situation, whatever this new beginning is, so that you don't repeat that same mistake again. So basically, you are supposed to go slow. You have to go slow, and just listen to your intuition, don't ignore it. Because here the guidance was, you have ignored, definitely you have ignored something. Maybe you've ignored your inner feeling, maybe there was some message coming your way, maybe your friend, or maybe your relative, maybe somebody even told you about some situation, but you didn't pay attention to it, perhaps, or you ignored it. So there has been this thing before. So this is the guidance. Don't ignore anything this time, don't ignore it, pay attention to all the details. Number 24 or number 6 may be of some significance for you. focus on love, look for the good in everyone. So this is about all talks about healing. So if you focus on the love, if you focus on the positive, you will be able to heal yourself soon, and you will be able to come out of this negative situation soon, and you will be ready for this new path what the universe is giving you, and you will be ready for it, you will be mentally prepared for it, and you will be able to make wiser decisions once you are in that positive state of mind. So that's all I have for you, Aries. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.